Are you looking for an easy way to see that someone is active on Snapchat or not? Look no further. In this video, I will show you how to see active status on Snapchat in a matter of minutes. But before we begin the video, I ask you guys to subscribe my channel. Your one click motivates me to upload more content like this. So please hit that subscribe button. It will make my day. Now let's begin the video. To get started, open up the Play Store and check if your Snapchat is updated or not. If not, then update your Snapchat. Mine is updated, so I don't have to update. Now open up the Snapchat and tap on that chat section. Now open up any person's inbox from here. Now, if you want to know that this person is online or not, then look in the corner. If Bitmoji is visible, then the person is online. If not, then he is not online. Now, there is also a second method to see the active status. Now, simply go back. Tap on that location icon. Tap Enable Location. It will enable the location of your device to Snapchat. Any person from your friend list who is online will be shown here. As you can see, my friend Barty was online 1 hour ago. So that wraps up this video. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with more content like this in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.